Next point from the unit number 4 is a comparing the reporting analysis. So now we will first discuss what is the report and what is the analysis and what is the basic difference between both this. Reporting, it is the process of organizing the data into the informational summarize in the order to monitor how the different area of the business are performing. And analysis is the process of explaining the data and report in order to extract the meaningful insight which can be used to better understand improve the business performance. So the basic difference between the reporting and analysis is that reporting is generated data, whereas the analysis is reported why such type of the data is generated, what is the causes of each and every report factor. Means it is the analysis, it is the deep analysis or deep explanations is generated in analysis reports. So this is the basic difference. Means reporting is the first one, whereas the analysis is based on your report. So that particular difference is we can differentiate this reporting and analysis in by using the different parameters. These are the parameters like the purpose of reporting and analysis, purpose of task and analysis, output of what is the output of report and analysis, what is the delivery contents of report and analysis, and what is the value of analysis and report. Okay, so this is the table. This tables is report represented in short what is the parameters of report and analysis. Okay, so in the today's organizations are growing in rapidly, and they realize that big data becomes an advantages in the most of the applications. So due to this they make sure to select the right options of data analytics solutions. Okay, so the purpose of analysis can be different according to their purpose, like task, outputs, delivery, values, respectively. Okay, so many of companies use the analytics solutions for acquiring the greatest values in the organizations. So suppose in the other words, the vital goal for reporting and analysis is to raise sales and decrease the cost. Okay, so both the reportings and analysis play the role in powering and driving the actions which leads to greater values in the organizations. So on this basis we can explain these things. Suppose what is we are taking the purpose or first this reportings, and what is the purpose of this reporting is the reporting is the process of arranging data in to the information summaries in order to monitor how the different area of business are performing. And analysis is defined. What is the purpose of analysis? The analysis is the process of discovering data and reports for extracting insight related to the problems which will be useful for generate the understanding and enhance the business performance. Reporting is used for transferring the raw data into the informations, and analysis is used for transferring data and informations into the insight. So to monitor the online business and to alert whenever the data will be go down outside the predictable range in companies, the reporting is useful. The reporting is good, then it will increase the number of questions from its user about the business. So reporting is generated just to generate the values, or it generated data in the format, the particular format, whereas the analysis is give the reasons why such type of the data is generated. So details information is provided by your analysis reports. The main objectives of analysis is to give the answers to the questions that by explaining the data at a deeper levels and providing the suggestions for performing the some actions. Okay, so in the other words, so we can say that the reporting illustrate us what is happening, whereas the analysis focus on explaining why it is happening and what you can do about it. So what is now it is clear what is the difference between the reporting and analysis. Reporting is nothing but the generations of data, and analysis is the causes why such type of the report or data is generated. It is giving the providing the reasonings. Okay. So this is the purpose. This parameter, that is the parameter of purpose of reporting and purpose of analysis. Then next one is the task is the parameter is the task, sorry. So task, sometimes most of the companies get confused between the analytics and analysis. So suppose consider one example, and organizations may use maybe focus on the general area of the analysis, such as planning, implementations and reportings, and having less focus on the analysis. In the additions, the gaps between the reportings and analysis vary less, and that feel like analysis is the another form of the reporting. The most important task of analytics team is to identify and that whatever the organizations has to perform reporting or analysis. In the most of the terms, times is exhausted on the activities such as building, configurations like combining, arranging, formatting and summarization. Then it is the reportings. And so the team's times is exhausted on activities such as questioning, explaining, interpreting, evaluating, and so on. So okay, so analytics is the nothing but the planning, implementations and reporting, whereas the analysis is the responsible why such kind of the data is the generated through your report. These are the basic difference between the analytics and the analysis. Okay, so what is the output of reports and what is the output generated by the analysis? Okay, so when we focus on the reporting and analysis, there are the number of chart, graphs, tables are exist. The reporting and analysis can also be differentiated according to they follow the push approach is followed by the reporting, in which reports are pushed to the end user, who are the turns expected to extract meaningful insight and making the suitable actions for themselves. So output that is generated to the report is in the form of the CAN reports. This is the CAN report. Report is generated in the form of the CAN reports, any alerts, or it is a display the info, displayed the reports in the form of the dashboard. Whereas in analysis, output is generated in the ad hoc responses and the analysis report. So this is the basic difference. Report is generated and its the task is over, whereas the analysis is the deep analysis. Deep reasoning is provided in the analysis report. The next one is the delivery. So delivery is what is the delivery? There are the three types of the delivery. Reporting exists. They can be below the these are the delivery the access via the tools, schedule for the delivery, and in analysis, prepare and presented by the analyst. So in the delivery, reporting, as we discussed, the reporting is a more of push model, where the people can access the report with the help of the analytical tools, Excel sheets, or having the schedule for delivery into their corresponding mailbox, mobile devices, or the file transfer protocol styles. The automations becomes important in building and delivering the reports, as the demands for providing the periodic reports to the number of individuals and a group are increase. Actually, so this is the delivery report is delivered in the through the different tools, or it is delivered in a predefined schedules, whereas the analysis report is delivered in the prepared and presented by the analysis. The responsibility of analysis to deliver the analysis report. So next one is the values the details data into the informations, distill data into the informations, whereas the analytics provide deeper insight into the business offer. Actual values in the form of only the data, whereas the analysis provide the values in the form of the detailed explanations. So we can, in short, we can say that reporting is the first stage, whereas the analysis is the next one stage.